with another product review video. And remember, on the last video I said if you like videos like this, please comment down below and let me know which products you would like me to review next. For today's product, we are reviewing the Zulay Milk Boss Milk Frother. Just a disclaimer, this video is not sponsored in any way, shape, or form. Just as a mom, I love getting products so that I can make things at home and save money for my household. This was actually given to me as a Christmas gift, and then let me just tell you guys, I love it so much. It froths the milk really great, and we're going to give you a description of how not a description. We're going to show you how to froth your milk with this on camera today. So let's get into the nitty-gritty of things, guys. So it comes in this box, and it does actually come with a warranty card inside of the box. I believe the card was for like a 1 to 3 year warranty. I can't remember, but I will put it down in the description box below. I will also put the product link in the description box below, and we all know where this wonderful product came from. None other than Amazon, y'all. None other than Amazon, guys. But anyways, let's get into the product. So when you open it, it's gonna come on this little stand here, so it sits nicely in your kitchen. And it does not come with batteries. So you're gonna have to take the device, pop the battery thing on the back there. And if you guys hear any little one-off noises, is my daughter in the background. But it does take 2 AA batteries. You wanna make sure when you put in the batteries in there that you leave this little black tip thing here, so that when you need to pull the batteries out, you could just pull the little strip there and bloop, the batteries come right on out for you. So we're gonna put that back on there. So it comes with the wand portion already attached. It comes with a button on top of it, which is the power button. And then it has this groove here for your finger. So you can either hold it like this to froth the milk and hold the button, or some people put their index finger there, thumb here, press the button, and get your frothy milk. So what you want to do is you want to take a cup of milk, heat it up for about 30 seconds in the microwave, and then you can start frothing. So I'm gonna go grab some milk out of my refrigerator, heat it up off camera so we don't have to wait and see that portion, and I'm gonna show you how to get a good froth on your milk. All right, guys, so I have got my favorite cup here, my pink Starbucks cup, and I placed the milk inside of it and placed it in the microwave for 30 seconds to get the milk nice and warm. Now I'm gonna show you guys how to get the perfect froth. So guys, you want to fill your cup 1/4 of the way, and what I like to do is turn the cup at an angle, place the frother inside of the cup, and start frothing. Now you want to hold the button on the frother continuously so that you get a good blend. And sometimes you can go up and down, go side to side. And then I like to do this for about 45 seconds to a minute. Not that I'm counting, just so I can kind of see if I want to keep frothing. Then I'll stop, and it has like a good blend there, but I'm gonna keep holding that milk at an angle there. Now this is how you get the ultimate froth, right here. You guys see that? And then I like to wiggle it side to side. Look at that. Who needs to go to Starbucks? And when you stop, it is the perfect froth, guys. The perfect froth. Look at that. Alright guys, so that was it for milk frothing. We are all set, and look, if you look few minutes later, the milk is still nice and frothy, and you could pour that right over a hot cup of coffee, learn how to make you some great designs in there, and put some nice stuff on top of it, just like Starbucks does, and drink you a nice cup of coffee. That's all for today's video, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this product review. Overall, I would give this product a 10. This has been a product that I have been using since Christmas Day, and I don't think I'm going to stop anytime soon. And if it breaks, guess what? I'm gonna buy the exact same one. So go to Amazon, click the link below, and get you one of these Zulay kitchen milk bosses, because guys, I'm telling you, it is phenomenal. 10 stars all around. If you like this video and you would like more like this, please comment down below. If you want to become a Frother cutie, please like, comment, share, and ultimately subscribe. Also hit that notification bell so that you'll see when we post more videos like this. But overall, guys, please remember to always stay cool, calm, and Frother.